Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on the market. So SPY today giving us a bearish reversal spinning top candlestick, which is showing a bit of indecision, and indecision favors the bears after such an extreme move to the upside the last 6-7 days. So we're looking for healthy hourly consolidation. If we break the low of today, tomorrow, 272.36, we will begin that hourly consolidation, which will transform into daily consolidation. And the bulls are looking for a healthy higher low to form. We will gauge the amount of consolidation anticipated based on the volume and the way that the hourly consolidation looks like. We could tell a week ago that this was very healthy consolidation on the hourly time frame, nice and contained, no big red volume, and we got the bull flag follow through, and we'll be watching to see can the bulls pull off another bull flag in this current consolidation, which does appear like it will follow through a bit more tomorrow. Weekly time frame, we broke the weekly equilibrium bullish last week, and anything on the weekly chart above 259.05 will maintain a higher low longer term. And we will be watching for the bulls to see continuation now into the rest of the end of the year. And it's up to the bears now to prove themselves on this weekly time frame because the bulls just proved themselves last week. IWM all-time high today, but a clear bearish reversal candlestick. Down at the low of the day, double bottom the last 2 days, 159.04 and 159.05. If those levels break, healthy daily consolidation, especially since this new all-time high was hit. Anything really above 156, and the bulls are just fine overall. Weekly time frame, there's that new all-time high, and anything above 151.71 will be a higher low, keeping these bulls in control. QQQ on the daily is also making its way up towards that all-time high, but it also formed a bearish reversal candlestick. Support 169.47 breaking will tell us the daily consolidation is coming. There's a little gap at 168 to be watching, and the lack of resistance from this level, though, we are looking up at the all-time high. The gap to fill was 170.62, so that gap has now filled. Cross it off the checklist. One more to go. All-time high 174.93 for QQQ. VIX on the daily time frame, daily inside bar. Break of 1281 is bearish. Break of 1328 is bullish. I would be keeping an eye on VIX, TVIX, and UVXY for a short-term flip, potentially tomorrow, as we are looking for healthy consolidation on the daily time frame. Note the weekly, or I should say note the daily exponential resistance, which we've gotten over plenty of times during the day, but we reject below it by the close. That's worth watching because if the bulls do see some upside and a bull break of this daily the daily inside bar, we will have to battle these exponential resistances, which have been rejecting the price for 2 weeks. Weekly time frame, trying to turn things around, but we already broke support. 5 red weeks in a row. And the bulls are trying to put a stop to that for the time being. So just a short-term bounce on watch for VIX as we're looking for a healthy consolidation in the markets. And we'll see if we get that follow-through tomorrow and a loss of the daily higher-low pattern. We've seen higher lows now each of the last few days in these markets. So breaking that means take a breath, bulls. It's time to consolidate. I appreciate you watching. We'll check in tomorrow and see how it plays out.